Welcome to GMP Insights. In this video, we will learn about quality by design, which is advanced and proactive approach, especially in pharmaceutical, medical device, and food industries. Quality by design, or QBD, is a crucial concept in modern medicine. It represents a systematic approach to development. The core idea is simple yet powerful. We aim to build quality into a product from the very beginning. This is not about leaving quality to chance. It is about designing it intentionally. This proactive stance ensures products, especially medicines, are consistently safe and effective. It all starts with a deep understanding. Think about baking a delicious, consistent cake. You wouldn't just throw ingredients together randomly. You would first understand what makes a good cake. What is the ideal texture, flavor, and appearance? Then, you would identify the key ingredients. Flour, sugar, eggs, each plays a role. You would also determine the critical steps in the baking process. Mixing time, oven temperature, and baking duration are all vital. Understanding how these factors interact ensures a perfect cake every time. This is the essence of quality by design. Now, let's apply this to creating medicines. In the pharmaceutical world, QBD means understanding how all components and manufacturing steps impact the final drug. We need to know precisely how active ingredients and excipients behave. We must understand how processes like mixing, granulation, or compression affect the tablet or capsule. This deep scientific knowledge is fundamental. It ensures the medicine will perform as intended for the patient. Safety and efficacy are paramount. This approach marks a significant shift from older methods. Traditionally, quality control often relied heavily on testing the finished product. If a batch of medicine failed a test, it was rejected. This could be wasteful and inefficient. QBD, however, focuses on preventing problems before they occur. It is about building a robust process. A process where quality is an inherent characteristic, not just an inspected attribute. This proactive philosophy is transforming how we develop and manufacture medicines. The philosophy of quality by design champions a proactive stance. It moves away from simply relying on end product testing. Instead, the emphasis is squarely on understanding the product thoroughly. It also demands a deep understanding of the processes used to create it. This comprehensive knowledge is the bedrock of QBD. It allows scientists and manufacturers to anticipate potential issues. They can then design processes that inherently lead to high-quality outcomes. This is a fundamental change in perspective. This contrasts sharply with what we might call quality by testing. In the past, a significant amount of effort went into testing batches after they were made. If a batch did not meet specifications, it might be discarded. This led to inefficiencies, wasted resources, and potential drug shortages. QBD aims to minimize these risks significantly. By understanding the variables that affect quality, we can control them. This leads to more consistent production and fewer rejected batches. It makes the entire system more reliable. A core tenet of QBD is that quality cannot simply be inspected into a product. It must be built into it. This means quality considerations are integrated at every stage, from the initial design of the drug molecule to the final manufacturing steps, and even through to its packaging and storage. This holistic view ensures that every aspect contributes to the final quality. It's about embedding excellence throughout the life cycle of the medicine. This ensures a consistently reliable and effective product for patients. The benefits of this proactive approach become evident very early in development. It fosters the creation of more robust manufacturing processes. These processes are less susceptible to variations in raw materials or operating conditions. This, in turn, leads to greater consistency in the final product. Furthermore, QBD cultivates a deeper scientific understanding within organizations. This knowledge base is invaluable not just for current products, but for future innovation as well. It is a foundation for continuous improvement. Quality by design is not an abstract idea. It is a structured, systematic methodology. It follows a clear roadmap to ensure quality is achieved. The journey begins with defining the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTPP. This is a crucial first step. The QTPP outlines what the medicine needs to achieve for the patient. It details the desired characteristics, such as dosage form, route of administration, strength, and efficacy. It essentially sets the specific goals for the development program. Once the QTPP is established, the next step is to identify critical quality attributes, or CQAs. CQAs are the physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological properties of the drug. These attributes must be within an appropriate limit, range, or distribution. This is to ensure the desired product quality. Simultaneously, scientists identify critical process parameters, or CPPs. These are the process variables that can significantly impact the CQAs. Understanding the relationship between CPPs and CQAs is absolutely vital for controlling quality. This knowledge forms the scientific backbone of the process. With this understanding, the team can then define the design space. This is a key concept in QBD. The design space is the multi-dimensional combination of input variables like material attributes and process parameters. It has been demonstrated to provide assurance of quality. Working within this validated design space means the process will consistently produce a product meeting its QTPP. Throughout this journey, risk management is continuously applied. Potential risks to quality are identified, assessed, and mitigated proactively. This ensures a robust and reliable manufacturing operation. Finally, a comprehensive control strategy is developed and implemented. This strategy ensures the process consistently operates within the defined design space. It includes controls on input materials, process monitoring, and checks on the final product. But QBD does not end there. There is a commitment to continuous improvement. Data from manufacturing is collected and analyzed. This information is used to further refine the process, update the design space if necessary, and enhance overall product quality over time. It is an ongoing cycle of learning and optimization. The adoption of quality by design brings substantial benefits to pharmaceutical companies. Primarily, it leads to a more consistent and higher quality product. This directly translates into fewer batch failures and product recalls. Such events are costly and can damage a company's reputation. By building quality in from the start, manufacturers can significantly reduce these risks. Moreover, QBD fosters a deeper scientific understanding of products and processes. This knowledge empowers companies to operate more efficiently and effectively. It promotes a culture of continuous learning. Regulatory authorities worldwide, including the U.S. Food and Drug Administration and the International Council for Harmonization, strongly endorse QBD. They recognize its power to enhance drug quality and patient safety. Companies that implement QBD principles often find their regulatory submissions are more robust. This can lead to smoother and sometimes faster approval processes. The clear scientific rationale provided by QBD gives regulators greater confidence in the manufacturing process. This collaborative approach benefits both industry and the public. Beyond regulatory advantages, QBD can be a significant driver of innovation. When companies possess a thorough understanding of how their product and process variables interact, they gain flexibility. They can make post-approval changes or improvements more easily and with greater confidence. This is possible as long as they operate within the established design space. This scientific underpinning allows for more agile manufacturing and the quicker adoption of new technologies. It helps companies stay competitive and responsive to evolving needs. Looking ahead, quality by design will only become more critical. As medicines become increasingly complex, such as biologics and personalized therapies, a robust framework like QBD is essential. It provides the tools and mindset needed to develop and manufacture these advanced treatments safely and effectively. Ultimately, the greatest beneficiary of QBD is the patient. By ensuring a consistent supply of high-quality medicines, QBD plays a vital role in public health. It is truly the cornerstone of modern pharmaceutical development and a key to a healthier future for all. If you like the content, please subscribe our channel for more such videos, and if you have any question, please drop in comment and we will reach you ASAP.